A lawsuit accuses the Lee Summit School District of failing to report the sexual assault of a student. And the man who just resigned as superintendent is named as part of that suit. KCTV5's Kelly Taylor has more.
School officials at Lee Summit School District are aware of the lawsuit that names several of its employees at Bernard Campbell Middle School, board members, and the former superintendent. They say they're prepared to defend themselves and employees in court. This lawsuit, filed 3 weeks ago by attorneys at Humphrey, Farmington, and McLean, alleged the Lee Summit School District and more than a dozen of its employees failed to report assault and retaliated against a student. It alleges the then 14-year-old was taken into the boys' bathroom by a male student at Bernard Campbell Middle School, raped and sodomized in December 2017.
She, from day one, has told the adults in her life that this contact was not consensual.
The lawsuit goes on to say school officials told the girl she got herself raped. It was all her fault, and it was all in her head. She could get over it if she would just face her fears.
These adults in the school system have a responsibility to react.
Lee Summit police say a criminal report was filed and forwarded to prosecutors, but charges were not filed. The school district disputes many of the factual allegations and says it will defend itself and its employees in court. We talked to one parent who shared her thoughts about the lawsuit.
I don't care what you say the victim has problems or issues. They're a victim. If they say something like that happened, then your response is immediate and you take action.
Lawyers for the student are asking for more than $15,000 in punitive damages, but say this is ultimately about accountability.
Ultimately to hold them responsible and hopefully in a way that not only compensates her for what's been taken from her, but also to ensure and help protect others who might be in a similar situation.
The district says they can't give any more information because the law protects the confidentiality of student records. But if the parent were to give consent, the district says they could talk in more specific details about the case. In Lee Summit, Kelly Taylor, KCTV5 News.